Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I cannot stand when my coffee gets cold, but I hate when I use my stainless steel mugs and it takes forever for my coffee to even be drinkable. Well, now I don't have that problem because this mug from BurnOut has fixed that problem completely.
I love to walk around with my cup of coffee like it's a security blanket. So these 12-ounce mugs from BurnOut have made my life so amazing. They have instant drinkability. So the minute you put your coffee in, it is going to start to make that coffee drinkable temperature and keep it there for hours. They come in white and black, and they are just the perfect size whether you are having a rainy day at home, getting some work done, out with the dogs, these are the perfect cups because also they are dishwasher safe.
While I had never heard the term lip dancing before, I knew exactly what they were talking about, but that is not anything I have to worry about anymore because of this amazing mug from BurnOut. I could not recommend it more highly, and that's my point of view.